A freelance marketing consultant spends $7,500 per month on business expenses, advertising, software subscriptions, contractors, and travel. She uses a personal debit card for everything. She's leaving approximately $4,800 per year in cash back or $72,000 in transferable points on the table year after year. Those points, redeemed through airline or hotel transfer partners, would cover 2 to 3 business class flights or 6 to 8 hotel stays per year at zero additional cost. The business expenses are happening regardless. The only question is whether they're generating a return. Business credit card rewards are not taxable income when redeemed from standard spending. The IRS treats them as purchase price reductions, not income. However, sign-up bonuses received without meeting a minimum spend requirement have been argued as taxable in some rulings. For practical purposes, sign-up bonuses tied to spending thresholds, the standard model, are non-taxable rebates. Cashback on business purchases is non-taxable. The card rewards reduce the effective cost of your business spending without generating a tax event. This is a genuine tax-adjacent benefit that requires no planning beyond selecting the right card. Self-employed spending profiles differ from corporate spending in important ways. Solo operators tend to spend heavily in categories like advertising, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn ads, software subscriptions, contractor payments, and professional services. The best earning cards for this profile are those with elevated multipliers on these categories. The American Express Business Gold Card offers 4x points on the 2 highest spending categories, each billing cycle, including advertising and gas. The Chase Inc. Business Preferred offers 3x on advertising, shipping, travel, and internet and phone services. Matching your top spending categories to the highest multiplier card is the first and most impactful step. Transferable Points currencies, Amex membership rewards, Chase Ultimate Rewards, Capital One Miles, Citi Thank You Points are the highest value rewards for most strategies. These points transfer to airline and hotel partners at ratios that effectively generate 1.5 to 2.5 cents of value per point when used for premium travel. A sign-up bonus of 100,000 Amex membership rewards points is worth $1,500 to $2,500 in travel, not $1,000 as the bank's portal suggests. Compare this to 2% cashback on the same spend, $1,500 to $2,500 versus $1,000 in cash. Transferable points consistently outperform cashback for those who travel even occasionally. The sign-up bonus is often the most valuable single event in a business credit card strategy. Cards regularly offer 80,000 to 150,000 points after meeting a minimum spend threshold in the first 3 months. For a self-employed person spending $5,000 to $10,000 per month on business expenses, meeting a $10,000 minimum spend for a 120,000-point bonus is routine. The spending was going to happen. Timing card applications to periods of high business spending, a large advertising push, equipment purchase, or contractor payment allows you to meet the threshold without manufacturing spend or altering your business rhythm. Annual fees on premium business cards are deductible as business expenses. The Amex Business Gold Card runs $375 per year. The Chase Inc. Business Preferred runs $95. The Amex Business Platinum runs $695. All are fully deductible under IRC. Section 162 as ordinary and necessary business expenses. A $375 card fee at a 30% effective tax rate costs you $262.50 after deduction. The card must generate at least that in annual value to break even, which most premium cards do within the first 2 months of use for a typical business spender. The after-tax cost of the annual fee is the correct benchmark for evaluating card value. The optimal portfolio for a self-employed person spending $5,000 to $15,000 per month is typically 2 to 3 cards. A primary earnings card for your top 2 spending categories, Amex Business Gold for advertising, heavy spenders. A backup card for categories not covered by the primary, Chase Inc. Business, cash for office supply purchases at 5x. A hotel or airline co-branded card for travel benefits, Priority Pass lounge access, checked bags, hotel status that offset ancillary travel costs. 3 cards, each with a specific purpose, covering your spending comprehensively without overlap or unnecessary fees. Employee or authorized user cards allow you to extend your business card account to contractors or employees, earning points on their business spending at no additional cost per transaction. Every authorized user purchase earns points under your account. If you have a virtual assistant charging software subscriptions or a contractor buying supplies, routing those purchases through your business card adds to your earning rate. Amex allows up to 99 authorized users on business cards for a small annual fee per user, typically $35 to $75 per card. On high-spending users, this fee is recovered within the first $2,000 to $3,000 of their purchases. Redemption strategy matters as much as earning strategy. Points sitting unspent in a rewards account depreciate when programs devalue, which all major programs do periodically. Redeem at minimum once per year. Target premium cabin award tickets or aspirational hotel redemptions where the cents per point value exceeds 1.5 cents. Avoid redeeming for cash, gift cards, or merchandise. These consistently return less than 1 cent per point. The Amex Pay with Points option typically returns 0.6 cents per point. The same points transferred to British Airways Avios and redeemed for a business class transatlantic flight return 2.8 cents per point. Your business expenses are happening regardless of which payment method you use. The question is whether those expenses are generating a second return on top of the business value they produce. Match your spending categories to the right card, capture the sign-up bonus at the right time, deduct the annual fee, and redeem through transfer partners. For a business spending $8,000 per month, this is a $4,000 to $8,000 annual benefit that requires no behavior change, only card selection. For the broader picture of business credit beyond rewards, the Building Business Credit Part 1 video covers the full credit profile strategy.